is Saturday, and it's November the 20th, which means we have 41 days left in this year. Oh my goodness. Amazing, isn't it? I think so. I don't know where the year went. It's been a wonderful year, though. Wonderful day, another day in paradise in beautiful Las Vegas. Gosh, we're so lucky. We are just so fortunate to be here. Great climate, new city. I mean, just it's just beautiful here. Everything's so clean and fresh. Did you ever notice that? I love it because I come from the East Coast and things, I mean, my gosh, cities are 200 plus years old. Well, they get old, right? But this city's new, and I just love it. Let's talk about what's going on in the Las Vegas real estate market today. We have 31 days of inventory. We're going to start off with the best news. That's fantastic. We have 313 high-rises available. We have 346 condos, 2,946 single-family homes, and 222 condos for a total of 3,827 available homes in the Valley zip codes. I don't go to Boulder. I don't do Mesquite. I stay within our valley. And so my stats might be different than Realtor.com because they not only do Clark County, they also do what's under contract and other pending sales. We don't do that. We do true availables. So my numbers are accurate per the Las Vegas Realtors MLS. And you can see that yesterday we closed 163 homes, high-rises, condos, single families, townhomes. Now we closed 117 single-family homes. And, oh dear, hopefully you can hear me. Let's see here. I didn't do a sound check. Oh, let's see. Let's make sure, everybody. When you go live, anything can happen. Never a dull moment. So let's see here. Make sure, sure here. Sit it down anywhere. Just sit it down. Let me make sure you can hear. Sure here. Well, you can hear me now. You can hear me now. Okay, so just making sure. Don't know if you heard that first part. So hopefully if you didn't, we've got 31 days of inventory. I'll say it one more time. Okay, 31 days of inventory. And we put 86 under contract, but we listed 145. How great is that? 119 single-family homes were listed yesterday. And of those, 42 were 400,000 and under. And that gives us 741 homes available, single family. Now I'm just talking single family, not condos or townhomes or high rises. 741 single family homes, 400,000 and under. That's fantastic. We have 139 people moving here every day, and they're looking for a place to live. So to that point, we had the non-owner occupieds. They're selling 45 homes a day. So that means that we continue to have available rentals. Think about that. Every day we're putting 45 more rentals on the market. So these are non-owner occupied sales that I report. And this quarter we've done 2,678. You divide it by the number of days we've had so far this year, and that gives us 45 to 46 that we're selling every day. That means we have rentals that are coming on the market every day. So that's also good. In addition to when leases go up and people moving around. So we have a great market. And I say this all the time because things don't last. We have great interest rates. And we have a churning market, and not every market is churning. A lot of homes, they go down, and then they have a lull, and then the listings go back up again. We continue to revolve, and we keep right around a month of inventory. Perfect, just perfect. And just so everybody knows, I'm going to show you. We're selling this month 152 homes a day. Now last year we were doing 131 a day. The year let's look at let's see, I've got last year here. Let's see. And I showed everybody this yesterday, but if you missed it, this is kind of the breakdown of this was last December. And in November of last year, we were only doing 122 homes a day. The year before, we were only doing 100 a day. And so, what that means is there's that pent-up buyer demand, and it's not going away. They cannot build new homes fast enough, and this market is not going to change. It is not going to change, but it's a good market. Just remember to show people it's a good market. And for people investing in real estate, last November, or we ended the year actually with the median price being $345,000. It's up to $415,000 right now. And that is a huge, let's see, $70,000. My goodness, in equity, if you bought your home in December last year, now this is what it's worth. November's hovering around $415,000 for that medium priced home. And I always have to tell everybody, now they're putting those $1 million homes in there, and we're selling more this year, almost 3 times as many as we did last year. So they kind of impact that number somewhat. Not a great deal, but enough to make it to comment about it.